Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd bring you down the Assiniboine section of the Trans-Canada Trail today. I'm starting with the Assiniboine Forest on Preston Trail. Then I'll go up to Assiniboine Park, and then I will follow the Assiniboine River down to the Forks. We'll take some pictures along the way, but I hope you enjoy the trip. Bye. Hi everybody, I'm here at the Forks, 15 kilometers along the Assiniboine portion of the Trans-Canada Trail. You can see just back here, some of the warming shelters are just starting. Not for a while on the river though. I want you to say hi to Richard and Jason. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Bye. I met these ne'er-do-wells at the Forks. They're probably off for a wonderful ride. Saturday is Global Fat Bike Day. Be there, be square.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.